So hello everyone, today we will discuss about what is range of a function. In our previous lecture we discussed what is domain. So if you are not watching my that video, please I request you watching that, then come here. I highly recommend that video, domain of a function. So now we discuss about what is range of a function. Range of function. Okay, it's just opposite to the domain of a function, because in domain of a function we focus on what is the path covered by the graph on x-axis, but in case of range we see path covered by a graph on y-axis. For example, I make graph of this here to here. Suppose this is a any y is equal to gx graph, so I want to find out that its range of, so here is suppose -3 to here -2, so here is suppose 2, so range of that function means range of gx is -3 to 2. Okay, I give you one more example. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and the graph is look like that. This one, and here is suppose 7, this one is 0, and this one is 2, and they are continuous. If I am talking about what is the range of the range of this function, suppose this function is y is equal to hx. Now I have to calculate what is the range of this function, meaning range of hx, and so I clearly see, if I focus on y-axis where lower end is here is 0, and this yellow graph approaching to the 0, and if I am look here, suppose here it reach at 3, so our graph is between 0 and 3, because here is a full dot, so I consider 3 in this range, so I get, so as we know this going to a minus infinity, because this is the negative side of the, sorry, this is not going to a negative, here is 0, so it approach 0, so here is going to 0 to 3. Here I use close bracket because this one is fulfilled dot. So I hope you understand what is range of function. I again repeat, range is just y-axis. So I hope you like my video. Thanks.